this weekend we had a hot one. So what did we decide to do? We went to Wild Rivers Water Park in Irvine. It was a great way to beat the heat. We headed over there and had a great time. Now we went over with several teenage boys and a youngster that was 6 years old, and it was great for everybody. And let's just say Dad had fun too. I will say Wild Rivers boasts a variety of exhilarating water slides that were great for the older boys and attraction designed for all ages. We had the lazy river, there was the wave pool, and then there was the kidzone, which my 6-year-old daughter had a blast in. You can see even on a hot day, Saturday, when we went down, there was still very short lines. And so I would have to say that was one of the highlights. The dedicated area for the kids was perfect for her. The slides were not too big. There were splash pads and interactive water features that many of the kids were thoroughly enjoying, and an abundance of team members there from the water park observing and making sure that everybody was safe. I definitely can say Wild Rivers is all about family fun. We spent quality time together floating down the lazy river, and we had a good time when they were racing on the Tahitian toucan. You can see both kids shooting out there, and then it drops off and lands you right there in the water. The nice thing is there are plenty of amenities, so when we needed to take a break, we had a wide range of food options. From quick snacks to hearty meals. The boys had a pizza that they shared and put the whole thing down. My daughter had the dot ice cream along with some chicken tenders and french fries, which were fully satisfying for everybody to have a nice convenient snack and then head back to the rides. I will give you this one tip. I did get in line and I was there to purchase the tickets, and when I got to the front of the line, the ticket person told me I would be better off purchasing them online because it was significantly cheaper. So I asked him what the price difference was, and he told me it was $80. I went online, and he was correct. It was $60. So I purchased the tickets there and saved $20 a ticket. So make that note. Purchase your tickets online. Don't go to the teller. That was very lucky that he was kind enough to relay that information. I purchased it online. We got in, it was speedy. The only thing I will say that takes a little bit of time is you do need to sign a waiver. So I had to do that for my daughter. So those might be one of the things that you do in advance. And they have a barcode that you can scan, fill it out. But the fastest thing is having those things filled out in advance. So it was a great time. Those are our tips to enjoy going to Wild Rivers on a hot summer day. All right, thank you. And we hope you join us for our next video where you can learn more about great things to do for travel tips.